Welcome back to our Bluesy Water channel. Today we're going to present a combination trauma release program using the Chi machine, Thera Cane, breathing mask, and trauma release exercises. So please enjoy. If you have any questions, contact me, Andrew at Bluesy Water. Thank you. So here I am on the floor with my breathing mask, my Thera Cane, Chi machine, all the good tools for profound somatic unwinding. And we're going to also be doing some trauma release exercises. The breathing mask helps with vasodilation, nerve relaxation, and getting much more oxygen to the body. It's profoundly relaxing. You become an instant yogi master when you do that breathing practice. The Thera Cane is used to access points along the spine, shiatsu points, anywhere in the body. It is a shiatsu tool or an acupressure tool. When combined with the Chi machine, quite unwinding. So here I am finding points along my spine while I go into the trauma release exercises. And as I hit a very active point, the body will start to tremble more. This is the alternate position of trauma release exercises. If those of you who do it, there's also the butterfly position. But this is more comfortable when using this combination practice. If you've done TRE long enough, you can go right into trembling at will. So I'm hitting all the different points along my spine. I'm just finding what feels, my body's speaking to me, and I'm just following the points as my body unfolds them. This is purely improvisational. You just listen to your body, find what's those points, and then you can do the TRE to literally shake off the deep trapped energy and also the emotions, the memories, etc. TRE accesses deep into the spine and the brain, and it's a feedback loop. This is what animals do to release trauma. It's amazingly unwinding. Those of you who are stuck with lots of stress, memories you can't shake, this is an amazing practice. So after I do a round of the TRE, now I'm going back to the Chi machine to kind of unwind, relax. I've just completed one round of release, and now I'm just kind of shaking it off. This is such a healing rhythm, this rocking on the Chi machine. This is also very much, this is what fish do. This is how the inventor watched fish wiggle in the water and develop this machine. So these are very primal movements that we're doing here to release very profound, deep, stuck energy. Now I'm doing some kidney points with the Thera Cane. You can Google the Thera Cane if you own one, and you can get the instructions. If you buy one, it comes with instructions and learn how to use it. It takes a little bit, but once you figure it out, it's very easy to use. I'm right now in the solar plexus chakra. There's so much deep trapped energy in the solar plexus region. The solar plexus chakra reflects into the liver, the spleen, the stomach, which have to do with anger, frustration, worry, overthinking. Anyhow, once I was in that chakra, I felt a point along my back, so I'm going back and accessing those points, sort of around the kidney area, immediately allowing the trauma release trembling to move that energy, to release that energy. The body has such deep levels of trapped emotions, memories, and energy all in combination. So I finished that round, and I'm just shaking it off again. Just going through unwind relaxation phase. Now I'm doing some hand combinations. You can start touching areas in your body with your hands that feel tense, tight. You can do chakras. When you do two parts of your body in connection, it's called polarity therapy. Fancy name, but it's basically one part speaking to another. Again, I'm in the solar plexus chakra. I'm also up by my throat chakra. So those feel right to me, and I'm just letting that communication take place. There's no right and there's no wrong. You really need to improvise. So this is like swimming. There's no right or wrong stroke, whatever feels good. So I'm going down to the belly chakra, which is up just above the belly button. And there's the first chakra is at the perineum floor, the second is the pubic bone, the third is above the belly button, the fourth is the solar plexus, the fifth is the heart, in the middle of the sternum. The throat is right where the clavicles meet, That's number 6. Number 7 is the brow chakra. Number 8 is the third eye chakra, which is the upper quadrant of the forehead, and the crown chakra is up above the top of the head. Typically people talk about 7 chakras, but the solar plexus is left out, and so is typically the third eye. The brow is associated as the third eye, but actually the third eye is up on the forehead. But either way, you can just access the chakras as you know it. And here I'm doing another unwinding. It's real unwinding to put the Thera Cane on the long stick of the Thera Cane on the back of the neck. There's a little nub in there where you can hit some key points. I'm just rolling my neck on that nub. And this is very relaxing. And now I'm finding some pretty loaded up points along the neck, so I'm using the TRE to shake off that deep information that's stored. Remember, every meridian point is associated with memory and emotion. Liver, gallbladder, for instance, is frustration and anger. There's all kinds of memories that have to do with anger and frustration. The kidneys have to do with fear. So the spleen, stomach, worry, overthinking. A lot of people who thinking is normal, but it's actually an imbalance if you're overthinking. It's actually an imbalance of energy. So here I am, just using the TRE on my neck. So whatever tension you find, use the TRE or the Chi machine both to really move that energy along and to get deeper access also. The deep trembling gets deep into the information that's stored in the body. Very hard to release energy in the body. So now I'm just doing the heart chakra and just touching points along my neck. Chakras are also very, very enlightening to getting at the deep subconscious memories. These are all subtle sort of somatic hypnotherapy, you might call them, techniques. The body has you're an inborn hypnotherapist if you know how to get into the body's mechanisms of release and meditation. Another term I use is somatic meditation. So I'm trembling while I'm touching different points. I'm doing a little cranial sacral now, actually, which you would have to learn and study, but it allows the bones to move and breathe. Very subtle work. Now I'm touching points along the bottom of my rib. There's a lot of trapped energy along the bottom of the ribs, leading to the solar plexus chakra. So at the bottom of the rib, there's a whole big energy center. In cranial sacral, they call them diaphragms. They include the chakra, the connective tissue, and the bones. So right there is what's called the respiratory diaphragm. At the sacral chakra, at the pubic bone, is what's called the pelvic diaphragm. These diaphragms anchor around these curved bones. Up the throat area is what's called the thoracic diaphragm, and then there's also the throat diaphragm. So now I'm unwinding once again, and we're done with this session for now. Take off the mask, relax, chill out for a couple of minutes. This is very profound, unwinding people of the nervous system using all these different tools. So if you have any questions, please contact me, Andrew at Bluesy Water, and we look forward to talking to you next time. Once again, when you get into these somatic meditations, you're going to find you can release very deep layers of trapped emotions, trapped energy, and you're going to feel way more peace, better health. You're going to structurally start to improve. Please check out all our other playlists and videos for trauma release, and we'll talk to you next time. Take care.